Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to upload longer videos to Instagram stories. So let's get started. Go to your device's App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram in the search bar. If an update is available, you will see an update button next to the Instagram app. Tap on it to update the app to the latest version. After you update the Instagram, open the Instagram app on a device. Then swipe right on the home screen or tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to access the story camera. Then tap on the camera roll icon or swipe up to access your device's gallery. Select the video you want to upload to your story. So as you can see, Instagram has increased the maximum duration for videos in stories up to 60 seconds from 15 seconds. So this is my 59 seconds video and it is uploaded on the Instagram story very easily. So by updating your Instagram app to the latest version, you should be able to upload longer videos to Instagram story without the need for third-party apps or workarounds. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.